Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So there is one update about the NMIMS. The calls for NMIMS are out. So if we consider the cutoffs, then for Mumbai, for the MBA program, it is overall 234 in your NMAT entrance examination, then 71 marks for the quantitative skills, 76 marks for the language skills and 71 for the logical reasoning. Then if we consider the MBA in HR, then for that the overall cutoff marks are 234 marks in your NMAT entrance examination. Then if we consider the quantitative skills, then there are 71 marks. For the language skills, it is 76 marks and for the logical reasoning, it is 71. If we consider it for the MBA in Business Analytics program for the Mumbai, then the overall cutoff for your NMAT entrance examination, it is 225. For quantitative skills, it is 69. For language skills, it is 70. And for logical reasoning, it is 68. Then if we consider the MBA in digital transformation, then for that the overall cutoff marks are 222. If we consider the quantitative skills, then those are 66. In the language skills, it is 69 marks and for the logical reasoning, it is 67 marks. Then if we consider it for the MBA in pharmaceutical management, then the overall cutoff is 185 in your NMAT entrance examination, then 50 for the quantitative skills, 50 for the language skills and 50 for the logical reasoning. Then if we consider it for MBA in Bangalore, then overall cutoff is 222 in your NMAT entrance examination, 64 for the quantitative skills, 70 for the language skills and 65 for the logical reasoning. Then if we consider it MBA from Navi Mumbai, then the overall cutoff is 222 in your NMAT entrance examination, 64 in your quantitative skills, 70 in your language skills and 65 in your logical reasoning. Then if we consider it MBA from Hyderabad, then the overall cutoff is 206 in your NMAT entrance examination, 60 with your quantitative skills, 60 with the language skills and 60 with the logical reasoning. Then if we consider it for the Indore, then the overall NMAT entrance examination cutoff is 206. For the quantitative skills it is 60, for the language skills it is 60 and for the logical reasoning it is 60. So this is all about the cutoffs for the NMIMS. And even if we consider the second stage, then in the second stage of MBA selection process will be conducted offline at NMIMS Mumbai campus only. It includes a computer-based written ability test, then Watson test and the personal interview round. So here on the day of the process, NMIMS faculty will brief you about the VAT round, then Watson Glasser test and PI round process for the salient features of the management program offered at NMIMS deemed to be university. So here VAT, Watson and personal interview process will take approximately 6 hours and here the link is also given so you can check with that also. So here if we see the slot details, then for the MBA in Mumbai program and for MBA in HR program, the slots are available from 31st of January to 8th of February. If we consider it MBA in Bangalore, Navi Mumbai, Hyderabad, Indore or MBA in Business Analytics, MBA in Digital Transformation, so for that from 9th of February to 23rd of February the slots are available. For MBA in Pharmaceutical Management, from 1st of March to 2nd of March the slots are available. So here to get eligible for the VAT, Watson and PI process, you need to pay the registration fees of 1000 rupees and you need to register before 24th of January. So the last date of registration is 24th of January and the scheduling would be strictly based on the first come and first serve basis. So wish you all the very best for your upcoming journey. If you have any doubts, any queries in this, then you can just let me know in the comments.